It's a
I should have given
clam.
a taste.
Okay, let's see, Daniel.
Alright, so just
Is
lick
this
it
what
off
you
there.
did the movie
They're good.
on Donna with? Oh my
They're good, aren't
goodness,
they?
I can't
It's
believe
very
he did
chewy.
that. He ate it.
He ate a clam.
Daniel.
Look at that clam.
If he's chewing it still, it must not be too bad. Is it good?
Daniel.
Daniel, do you like it?
Yeah. You know
Is
you're
it good?
eating its gut.
Shut up. Daniel, she's just joking. Daniel, did you like it?
Yeah.
Would you eat one again?
You like it?
Does it taste good?
It's peppery.
It's peppery?
Too peppery. Because I'm laughing.
On little boats
did
floating
good.
water.
Hey.
You want another one?
If I taste that, you have to
Clams
taste
really
it.
are delicious.
You have to
Let me
taste
see that.
A little bite.
Let me
a
see your
little bite.
clam
And
shell.
then I'll eat the rest of it.
Hold it over the thing and then, let me see the shell outside of the shell.
Because what it is. And I saved it.
There, it was a clam.
Dana, come with me to get one. And then you have to taste the whole bite.
Okay. Daniel,
The whole tentacle.
good job.
Good
Let me
job.
see.
You ate it.
Are you chewing it? Okay.